Today I'm going to talk about adding music to your Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels are a really fun, exciting way to market to new clients on Instagram, and I love that they can still show up on hashtags and in your Explore page. So the tough thing that I've been hearing is that not everyone has the audio button yet. I actually don't have the audio button yet. I've heard that creator accounts are more likely to have it than business accounts, but I do know some creator accounts that don't have it and some business accounts that do. So never fear, you can still have successful Reels even if you don't have that audio button. So today I'm going to tell you how to add music to your Instagram Reels, especially if you're using this as an artist or for business to grow your audience and following on Instagram. All right, so here's how to add music to your Instagram Reels. First of all, of course, you can just use the audio button if you have it. Simple, easy. Unfortunately, it's not available for everyone. So second, you can find another audio that you like and you can use it by just clicking on the audio and clicking use audio. This isn't gonna work for copyrighted music if you don't also have the audio button, but it will work for other creators' original sounds, which are a great thing. That's what TikTok kind of created, was like making a sound and then sharing it and copying it and duetting and all of those things. Number 3, you can do a voiceover or make your own sound. You can't currently voiceover on Instagram after filming, but you could add that audio in another app or while you're filming if you're prepared for that. And number 4 is just adding audio in another program for your Instagram Reels, like TikTok. TikTok is gonna be my favorite for this. It's kind of the original that really took off for this, but there are a lot of other options. I'll have a little list below, but you can Google it for your operating system and exactly what you need. Now, if you wanna use copyrighted music in Instagram Reels, like a song from your favorite artist, then this is a question that I get a lot. Is it okay to use that music in your Reels? If you're using Instagram for business and you have a business account, then technically no. I'm always gonna advise that you to stay within the legal limits and remind you that Instagram can totally shut down your account for breaking this rule frequently or even just once because it's against their terms. You can also be fined for it by the artist who owns the copyright. So here are a few ways kind of around this or to use other forms of audio that are still really effective in your Reels. First of all, you can use YouTube's free audio library. This is especially good for background music, not so much for like popular hit songs, but you can still find some great things for like a sped up process video or something where you're voiceovering but want to add something in the background. Second, you can look for music in the public domain and always use that. Christmas songs are a great example of this. I know that's coming up. And there's gonna be a link to a really great public domain music list in the description of this video. Third, there is some music that has been kind of endorsed for reuse. So if you think about the Dreams TikTok trend, if you haven't looked that up, it's been shared millions of times, and it was celebrated by several members of the band Fleetwood Mac who own the rights to that song. So this suggests, although doesn't guarantee it, of course, that that band will not be pursuing any copyright claims on that song. So you may be a little bit more comfortable using something like that as compared to Taylor Swift, who is known for pursuing copyright claims. And number 4, you can always stick to sounds that were created for the purpose of TikTok or Instagram Reels or kind of that viral social media trend. A lot of popular video trends are other creators doing voiceovers, making sounds that are just for TikTok or Reels. While they're also technically able to be copyrighted, it's generally understood that these sounds can be reused in a similar setting and that they're not going to pursue copyright claims on that music. If I had to take an educated guess, knowing Instagram pretty well, I would assume that the audio button will be rolled out, even if there are some restrictions, to all the accounts fairly soon, or that they're working on that. I'm sure they're kind of working through some of those like copyright claims if you're using this for business, marketing, etc. So if you do switch to a creator account, you might have the option to get that audio button sooner. However, I prefer the insights and the setup of the business account. And I think if you're using Instagram for business, you should keep a business account because that's who you are and the features they're gonna roll out in the future are gonna be more for you. I would recommend using a different app. And if you are nervous about the copyrighted music, then you can always do voiceovers. You can always use YouTube's audio library or public domain songs. So check those out via the link in the description of this video, and I can't wait to see your Reels. Let me know what questions you have, and as always, please give us a subscribe and check out our social media playlist for other tips on Instagram. And we got a bunch of videos about Reels that we've already uploaded or are about to be uploading soon.